In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly check the password saved for your Google account. Many people forget their login details, but the good news is that if you've ever let Chrome or your Google account save it for you, it can be retrieved in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once the browser is open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile picture or an initial inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on that icon. A small menu will appear with different account-related options. From here, you need to select Manage your Google account. This will open your account dashboard, which is where all of your Google services and settings can be managed in one place. Take a moment to get familiar with this page because it contains many useful tools beyond just passwords. It's basically the control center for your Google identity. Now, inside this dashboard, find and click on the option called Security. Scroll down until you locate the section labeled Password Manager. This is a built-in tool that securely keeps track of your saved login details for different websites and apps. If you use Chrome regularly, chances are most of your important credentials are already stored here. Clicking on Password Manager will bring up a list of all the accounts where Chrome has saved login information. In the search bar at the top of this page, type google.com. This will filter the list and show your stored credentials for your Google account. Having this search function is very helpful because it saves time if you have hundreds of saved logins. When you see the entry for Google, select it. Before you can view your password, Google will make sure it's really you. Depending on your device, you might need to enter your computer password, unlock with a PIN, or use fingerprint/face recognition. This layer of protection is critical to keep your personal data safe from others who might try to access it. Once you've verified your identity, the account details will appear. Next to the password field, you'll notice a small eye icon. By clicking on that, the hidden password will be revealed on your screen. At this stage, you can also choose to copy the password if you need to use it right away. And that's it. You've now successfully located your saved Google account password. Make sure to keep this information private and avoid sharing it with anyone. For extra safety, you can also use a dedicated password manager to store your credentials securely. Another smart tip is to update your passwords regularly, as it helps keep your accounts more secure. Thanks for following along with this guide. If you found it useful, be sure to stay tuned for more quick tech tips. And if you still have trouble, consider checking Google's Help Center for more advanced recovery methods. Happy password managing.